Hey, it's the Bortone with losreviews.com. We do a different review or how-to every Tuesday at 2 p.m. You can find it on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, all kinds of cool places. Anyway, this week's Lose Reviews is not so much a review as it is a really cool tip. Everyone always asks me where I get these cool backgrounds. You can see behind me here. This one looks like sort of a New York skyline, and they're pretty realistic. And people say, hey, is that a green screen? How do you get that cool background? And it's not. It's a piece of 5x7 vinyl that I get on Amazon.com. So here on this page, you can see that you can find these photorealistic backdrops on Amazon. I'll put the links to a couple of them below. Right here on Amazon, and they're really inexpensive. They're like anywhere from $18 to $35 US. And if you mouse over, you can see the different backgrounds. And once you're on one office background or whatever kind of background, you can scroll over here and see all the different other options. So if you want something more glamorous or more city-ish or more home-ish, you can do that just by clicking on any of these. So here's one that's a nice living room at night or at dusk, I guess. The 5x7, I literally just tack it to the wall here. And I usually get the 5x7. As you can see, there are different sizes here. And they come all folded up in a nice handy little package here. So I have a bunch of these, and I just change them out every once in a while. So it's not a green screen. It is actually a vinyl background that I have, in this case, tacked to the wall. So you can see that once you're on one of these, they also give you a lot of options for other lovely backgrounds. So you can basically choose the luxurious background that you want, whether it's a city. If you scroll down here, you'll see some other ones that are more like destinations, European garden or whatever, different locations, different backgrounds, different scenes. And again, they're all about $18 to $20. This is another one that I have that I use. And you could put them on a stand like you can see here, or you could just tack them to the wall if you're able to do that. So those are my tips for fancy schmancy backgrounds like the one I use here in my office, which is just tacked to the wall. And again, once you're on here, you can scroll through and see that they've got unlimited amount and styles of video backgrounds, vinyl backgrounds that you can use for your background in your video like we do here. So that's it for Lose Reviews. Join us every Tuesday at 2 p.m. for a new review or how-to, and we'll see you next week. Thanks, and bye for now. Look for the link to these backgrounds, or at least a couple of them.